Let us start by opening the VMware Workstation and create a new virtual machine. Select Custom and select Next. Next again. Under the installer disk image file, click Browse and locate the Ubuntu 18.4.6 operating system depending on your file location. Once done, you click Next. Fill out all the text box provided and click Next. Next again. You can change the number of processors and core per processor if needs to be. Once done, then click Next. Select 2 GB memory. Leave the network type unchanged. Select the recommended settings. Recommended settings again. Create new virtual disk. Store a disk in a single file, and then Next. And finished. The VM will close and automatically load Start Setup process. Now let us start the installing of Ubuntu 18.4.6 setup process. Select the English and press Enter. Press Enter. Select the network connection and enter again. Just enter. Now the installer is checking for update. Select OK and enter. Now you can fill up the profile setup including login name and password. And then press Enter. Select the Install Open SSH server, select Done and press Enter. Wait for the process. Now that setup complete. You can now reboot your Ubuntu VM. After restarting, try to log in your name and password. Now we can type IP address if can received IP from DHCP. It seems like we have trouble on our network adapter. Now we can restart the VM and access the settings of Ubuntu VM. Click the network adapter and set the network to bridge and click OK. Now restart the VM again. Login. And now you can see the IP address 192.168.254.150. Now using PuTTY terminal. Remote your Linux virtual machine via SSH. Accept the PuTTY security and login. Now let's us begin to paste all the commands need to configure the Adopisoft server. Once everything is done, you need to reboot once again your VM. You can log in and type once again IP address for you to access if the IP address was changed upon setup. You can access your Adopisoft dashboard via browser. Now we can start system repair and upgrade. After the setup, reboot once again the VM, then back to the browser. You can access the fresh installed Adopisoft server. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our more coming videos.